So it's day 3 here at the camp. We're getting ready in the morning to go to the job site, and unfortunately a few people are actually taking off as well. I think this is the smallest the camp has actually been since it started in the summer. A lot of people have been here for a long time, and also it's getting colder now, so sleeping in the tents is getting a little bit less comfortable. Luckily, there's some of these houses people can sleep in now. So past here is the outdoor showers and sink, and here is our kind of job duties we're trying to figure out. And let me actually show you guys inside the house where I've been sleeping. So someone's still sleeping there, but this has been my spot. And there's 3 bunks over here as well. So definitely don't expect anything luxury, but it's nice to have a warm, cozy place to sleep at night where it's getting colder outside. This one is technically the staff house, so I'm here with like the site manager and the media team, but they have other houses nearby that they've rented, or they're actually repairing where the other volunteers are living. So it's been good. All right, so we're gonna load up the car with some shovels.
Instruments I want to transport it. Yeah.
What is this? No. This.
Oh, the bird?
Yeah. What happens? It's a beautiful bird.
I don't know. There's some person tell me about this bird.
I don't know.
I think I kill her.
Oh, it's so
But
oh man, I feel bad. Should we leave it or okay. Goodbye, bird. Give it a proper burial.
Burial. Onto the trash.
Okay. Goodbye, bird. You lived a good life. I don't think this is ours. I think we stopped here for something else. But it's cool to see the foundation here is going to be poured soon as well. So we're going to help out a little bit here and the foundation. Yeah. This is a little storage shed that they have here. So I just came inside to get some gloves, and I found their secret potato and onion stash for the winter, guys. This is how people survive in the winter. Seeing that, like, for us, it's kind of just strange seeing so many potatoes and onions. And we think like, okay, it's not a big deal, right? It's just onions. But this was like the livelihood. This is like a year's work for a lot of people that live out here. And the Russians, they have come multiple times to steal the food and the livelihood of these hardworking Ukrainian farmers. They starved them out during Holodomor. They invaded this city just last year, took their food. Imagine that, just like you're just a hardworking farmer and this is all you have. This is like your life savings. Like, that's not bricks of gold, bricks of Yukon gold or whatever the potato variety is here. It's so messed up, dude, just to think about it. Like, imagine this is your life savings here. And people come and just fucking steal it all. I'm gonna leave your house in ruins. This is all we have left. Guys, another day of digging basically trenches in the sand for the foundation. It's tiring, guys. It's a tiring job, but you know, it makes the food taste that much better after. I think we're almost finished helping these guys out. Maybe we can move to our job site soon.
Somehow available.
Yeah.
I think there's the cliche.
and a lot of them got like stolen in the 90s in Germany, which is kind of fun.
Well, we just arrived at the next building site, and actually this is next to like a hospital or something.
More rebar. Yeah,
Yeah. I'll just show these guys how to make it.
Yeah.
So you grab two of these,
Okay.
they're identical. So we've got to clip them together, and we want to do the easiest way to do it is you have these pointing up, and then you leave one dot free.
Okay. Easy.
And then clip them together.
Yeah.
Just like that. Perfect. And then when we make these, get a couple of these. And put them together. So these little indentations, they go on the outside. So you put them to the outside. And then you need to have opposite ends. So this is a male end and a female end. Yeah. So you have one of them on each side. And and you just stack them together. Yeah. And then the rebar is going to sit in these. So these little dots always need to be pointing up.
It's holding the rebar.
Yeah. So you go slide that in there. Yeah. That in there.
So we gotta turn all these into fine art or a craft.
Yeah.
Starting to rain now. It's still raining a little bit, but we're gonna start connecting these foam pieces. I thought it was a blowtorch at first.
I don't think the styrofoam would take it so well.
Yeah. Totally rod hit this. Wow.
Yeah.
Luckily it didn't hit the hospital.
Come here, and the metal parts
It's just the shrapnel hit everywhere.
go. Shrapnel go to us,
Oh, well.
and even touch the.
So they damaged the building? But what was here before where we're building now?
I think it was nothing, but they damaged something, and we need to repair this.
Okay, but like here where we're building, what is it going to be?
Something was be here because we find some parts of foundation.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we'll build it for them. But this will be for the hospital. This a house or for the hospital?
I think it's house for hospital.
Oh, okay, oh, that's cool. Nice.
I don't know exactly.
Okay, well, let's go back, guys. Well, definitely raining, guys. I don't know why these guys are working so hard. Harder workers than me. Well, guys, my plan was to stay and work another day, but due to the weather changing, I think I'm gonna head back to Kyiv after lunch today. I think I haven't done enough. Oh, that's not the word. I've seen enough. Seen people do a lot, and yeah, let's go back and tell you. All right, I think we're all gonna call it quits. You want to sit in the front?
Oh yeah.
What are you trying to do? Well, guys, I'm so happy that we're back in camp, and I smell delicious food. Oh, can you tell me what you guys have prepared for us? Showeta.
In Ukrainian or in English?
In either
So
way.
it's a potato, carrots, egg, and flour.
What do you call?
That's all.
What's the Ukrainian name
In
for it?
Ukrainian, it names kartoplaniki.
Kartoplaniki, potato something.
Yeah, deruny.
Jodoni. Okay, I like jodoni. Yeah.
And it's something like hash brown, but
With more cool stuff.
ingredients,
More
cool
love.
stuff. Yeah.
Oh, but it looks really good, guys. Try it? No. We'll wait. And this is our babusha that's helping the Yakuyu. Oh, and they made one out here. This is the giant one. Nice. Guys, don't tell anyone, but I stole one. It's really good. Good cooks. Guys, so it's been a few days since you've been here. What are your thoughts so far?
Yeah, it's nice. I mean, I learned a lot working wise. I never did construction before, and yeah, it's a cool place. So I would hope that many others will come and help to build these houses.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, the locals are also really kind, and the landscape is beautiful.
It is.
mean, yeah.
Right now it's raining, but when
Still
it's
beautiful,
Still
though.
beautiful.
A lot of chickens, cats, dogs. It's just, really cool to connect with them people.
And speaking of cool people, this is Owen. He drove how many miles out here from Ireland?
Miles,
Or-
kilometers is 3,500 about.
Wow. And you came with a truck full of tools
Yep,
just to help
Yeah.
this. And you've been here for a long time.
an old Land Rover. I drove, so I got the ferry from Ireland, it was about 18 hours to France.
Okay.
Drove from France to Belgium, Luxembourg, Germany, Poland, and then here.
Well, thank you for coming with your tools and also your construction experience, because without you, we would be lost.
No, you're still doing, we all do our best every day, so I do my best and everyone does their best, so yeah.
Thank you very much. Speaking of thank you, Obrigado as well. This guy came all the way from Brazil.
Hello.
How's your experience so far?
Yes, it's good. My third day here learning, and I'm helping with my time and effort. Yeah.
Obrigado. All right, and you're local, yeah?
Yeah.
And actually, the only one prepared for the rain.
My 30 day in boot camp. I like it well. I don't have experience with such construction before, and now I think I know much, and I can tell for friends and guys what they need to do, and I think we will repair Ukraine together.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Дякую, guys. Dankeschön. It's our last lunch together, but really, really good food. So I'm gonna get seconds, but now I'm cutting my spot. But that's what we need today.
And a mixture of
Oh, babusha, дякую.
Okay, postpone the concrete.
She brought us some good food, guys. Hi there. No, dякую. It's still hot too.
Good. You?
Oh, you will let
Дякую.
For one day only. We
Can you ask her if she remembers me? I was at her house for lunch last year.
I'm not the person who speaks so well Ukrainian.
So guys, if you don't remember, last year I was invited to lunch with this beautiful babusha at her house, and we were drinking so much. Привіт, привіт.
За відбудову і перемогу.
Саме головне перемога. Перемога.
To the victory.
To victory.
This is the main.
To the victory.
Okay, to the victory. To the victory.
Oh my gosh.
People do everything
Yeah,
by themselves.
like Ukrainians are so strong, like especially Ukrainian women. Like
Exactly.
How do-
Women are just. Did you notice there are no men?
yeah, they don't need
men
it.
have died.
They don't need it. Yeah.
Died or drink vodka.
Drink good more.
Little bit more.
Будьмо! Hey! Будьмо!
Hey, good morning. Good morning, boomer. Hey, hey.
Так, ну, хоча дощ не забивати,
I'm so happy to see you again. Today, no alcohol though. Today is just, what do you call these? Latki? Latki?
Latki.
Just latki today. Latki and tea. So today we're being good.
чуєш, у цемент же вписати, носки дубові, я так теж замочувала. І руками стирала, бо думаю, труба буде. Ну а штани потім то так. Штани то так, до сраки дверці. Ото треба було їх пожежати. Що?
Okay. Well, it's been a great couple of days. Dima, thank you so much for inviting me out here.
Yeah, thanks for coming.
Yeah. So if you guys don't recognize Dima, he's the founder of Repair Together.
Co-founder.
And so if you guys don't recognize Dima, he's the co-founder of Repair Together. I met him last year during one of the Tolikas, and things have like progressed so much since then. Yeah.
Yeah, well, in general, we launched some new projects. One of this new project is this international building camp, and that's a very interesting improvement and next step in our activities because it basically involves volunteers much deeper in work, not just to come during weekends and to clean up things, clean up the debris or something like this, but rather build something with hands, with other people, and do some more deliberate and more serious work.
Yeah, it's been really cool, like actually using my hands to like bend rebar and like help with the concrete. So I really enjoyed this. And people from now, how many countries have come?
I'm not sure, but as far as I know, more than 25 countries.
Volunteers from more than 25 countries have already come. So you guys can be next from wherever you are. If they want to join, check out Repair.together. And yeah, keep up the good work, guys.
Yeah, and we will be very happy if you join, because our international building camp is going to work another month at least, since we have to finish a lot of new homes.
Yeah. And is there anything else that you guys need, like supplies, donors?
Well, at this moment, first of all, we need volunteers to come to us to keep on building of the homes. And the second thing, for sure, we need financial support and financial help in order to buy additional materials and pay for labor of professional constructors.
So there you guys have it. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.